By coming to this portion of our site, you've made the first step in protecting yourself and your family from identity theft. There's a lot to consider when choosing the best means of protecting your family from identity theft. The first step is understanding the problem. In the South, we have an expression. We say it's too late to close the barn door, the horses are already out. The list of places that have our names, our social security numbers, our addresses, our dates of birth, they number in the hundreds and in many cases the thousands. Everywhere you ever went to school, every doctor's office you've ever visited, every insurance company you've ever worked with, every mortgage company you've ever worked with, the list goes on, and they all have access to your data. So to say that we can lock down our identities just isn't realistic. Our identities are already out there. Now, what is realistic is to minimize a fraudster's ability to actually use our data. And that's what we do at Secure Identity Systems. Click on the Enroll Now button at the top of your screen to begin your protection today. Did you know that 70% of identity fraud will never show up at credit bureaus or on your credit report? 70%. So companies that only do credit bureau monitoring will find less than 1/3 of the identity breaches that involve your name or the name of any of your family members. The other 70% of identity thefts include things such as, illegal aliens needing social security numbers to get employment, sex offenders living where they're not supposed to, criminals hiding from the law, deadbeat dads not wanting to pay child support, to name a few. That's where Secure Identity Systems is different. We go beyond the credit bureaus. We look at the credit bureaus, but we go past that. We look at thousands of other databases to uncover identity theft at the earliest possible time. And then we put the pieces back together for you. Did you know that according to the FTC, once you become a victim of identity theft, you're going to spend on average between 60 and 500 hours to fix the problem? What's it worth to have someone give you back that 60 to 500 hours of your life? With Secure Identity Systems, our resolution department is staffed with advocates who are trained and certified to fix all 26 types of identity theft, to restore your good name, and, best of all, they'll do the work for you. In severe cases of identity theft, you could be called to testify in court to prove that you didn't commit a crime. In this type of situation, there's airfare expense, there's hotel expense, lost wages for time off from work, legal expenses, and more. With Secure Identity Systems, we also have a reimbursement policy that covers you for those type of expenses. I challenge you to find another company in the country that goes further to protect your good name. Thank you for coming to our site. Click on the Enroll Now button at the top of your screen and start protecting yourself and your family today.